morning, all of you, and I hope you all are well. So, today we'll do exercise 5.2, that is arithmetic progression, and the question number 6. So, let us see the question first. The question is, we are taking exercise 5.2 and question number 6. Here we have to show that minus 150. We have to check whether this minus 150 is a term of this given AP or not, where the AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So from this AP, first we have to find out the value of A and the value of D. We all know that the value of A means the first term. So value of A here is 11, and D we can get from other two terms, that means 8 minus 11, and the value of D will be minus 3. So now we are having the values of A and D. Now we will check whether this 150 is a term of this given AP or not. So what we'll do, we'll put the formula for AN. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Let me write it again. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. But we have to show, or we have to check whether 150 minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. So we'll take that. We will suppose that let minus 150 is a term of this is of this AP. So if it is a term of this AP, but we don't know the number of this term, so let us suppose let the nth term here is minus 150. So put it here, minus 150 equal to, what was the value of A? The value of A was 11 and D was minus 3. So put the values here, equal to 11 plus N we don't know, minus 1, and D is minus 3. So now minus 150 and this 11 will come this side on left hand side, so minus 11 equal to N minus 1 and multiply by minus 3. So we just calculated so minus 1 and get the value of N from this equation. So it will be minus 150 and 11 will be 1, 6, 1, minus 161 equal to, and if I open up this bracket, this will be minus 3 plus, minus 3n and plus 3, and this will imply minus 161 minus 3 equal to minus 3n. So now it will be minus 164 equal to minus 3n. We can cancel out minus and minus both sides, and this implies 164 upon 3 is n. But now this n, after converting it, we cannot convert that into the lower term now. If we will, then we'll get a term which is in decimal. So n can never be, because n here is a number of a term, number of that particular term, and we have to check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not, and here we'll get the value of n as 164 by 3, and it is a fraction. So that means this implies the term which we have taken as nth term of this AP was not actually the one of the term of this AP. So we can say that minus 150 is not one of the term of the given AP. So that's it.